Başla.
Merhaba. Özer Bey buyurun.
Evet hocam. İlk önce kasamızı topluyoruz.
Evet. Right now, what he is doing, Mr. Özer, he already arranged the frame as 2.3 centimeters. The height is 2.3 centimeters. So he put corner adapter. He put the corner adapter, and they are screwing the corners now.
Bu bölümlerin tam durması lazım.
The main target, the angle is supposed to be a good appearance. As you see the adapters, so he's collecting and
Vurma işlemini yaptığımız zaman kesinlikle bu şeyden kullanmamız lazım.
okay, he has to be very sensitive during the arrangements, otherwise it can give some damages to the door. Yes, and the corner script is done. Okay, and the frame almost ready. So he's gonna put the frame, which is 2.3 centimeter frame height, into the 2.5 meter gap. So this is, yes. Right now they already put
Üst başlıkları çakıyoruz.
and he's putting the top border. Okay. Yes, inside and outside top borders.
Daha sonra içeriye bakan kısmın pervazlarını çakıyoruz.
Inside borders later. Probably now they are
Kapının hangi yöne doğru açılacağını daha önceden tespit ediyoruz. Daha sonra kilidimizi o yöne doğru çeviriyoruz.
Yes, there is a good point. Before they are arranging, they are deciding what side the door is gonna open. So before they decided that the door is gonna be open to the wall, but they are looking from outside. They go outside and then they say, I want to open the door this side. So they're gonna arranging now the opening side this way.
Evet. Daha sonra daha önceden yapmış olduğumuz bir kapı var. Ben şey yönüne göre bağlıyorum.
Okay, he has a molding that he's using this mold, and he's just already arranged his exact point for the hinges. He put 4 screws to have a strong hinge.
Şu üstler gelmeden abi.
As he did on frame, he's doing the same issue on the sash also. He's using the mold and he's putting the other part of the hinge on the leaf to get an exact fitting.
Zaten kapıyı yerine asıyoruz. Alttaki öyle bağlıyoruz.
Okay, first he's putting the sash on position. Later on, he's gonna fix the bottom hinges. Yeah, it's the key point. First, he hit the top, and he left free the bottom one. When he put the leaf on the frame, then he fixed sash and frame.
Evet, şimdi kolumuzu takacağız.
Okay, and right now we will just arrange our handles. So right now he's gonna open the fitting side of the latch on the frame. Yes. And now add the fittings. Yes. The fittings he's screwing now.
Kolu bağlıyoruz.
And the locks mechanism already done before, and now he's just setting the handles, and he's screwing that. And the hinge has different screw size, and handle has different screw size, and he's putting the lock also. In Turkey, mainly we use this type of locks for the rooms. Yeah, it's a rosetta, we call it. Room lock and bathroom lock is different. In Turkey, we use this type of key. Also, some option as a barrel key according to customer demands. And now again inside of the key part, and this is, we call it rosette. Yes, inside and outside, handle and locks almost done.
Kapımız köpüklenmeye hazır şu an.
Okay, we are ready to make the foaming now. Okay. So we just get outside.
İlk önce terazi atıyoruz.
Okay.
İlk önce terazi atıyoruz.
Okay.
Üst başların terazisinde olması lazım, yoksa kapı bir tarafa akar.
In this position, now what we have to do, we have to check the settings, the arrangements. Yes, it's almost in balance, the level. We use level and we see that everything is okay. And now we are putting foam. This foam will give us the tightness of the door, and it's gonna be more durable and more strong.
Köpüğü de mümkün üç noktadan tutmaya çalışıyoruz. Evet.
So we are trying to always to do that, applying foam like top, medium, and bottom to have a good solution for yes.
Evet.
And the next step
Diğer
is
yüzlerini çakıyoruz şu
the
an.
left, the outside border.
Yüksekliğinin eşit olması lazım.
We have to make sure that it's in same level. It's equal height. he sees some problem, he can adjust it, have good solution.
Şu anda kapımız gölgeli olduğu için bundan sonraki işlemi kapı gölge yaparak şey yapacağız.
Okay, right
Kapıya
now,
bakarak.
right now almost everything balanced. We don't have any problem, so we just gonna make some small touches. But if we have any problem with the leveling, if we have any problem during the installation, we should arrange it. Sometimes it's not gonna be like easy. This door, everything, the wall and the door and our master, everything is very in good position. That's why everything went easy. But sometimes the wall has problem. Sometimes master can have problem, or sometimes material can be problem. So you should be careful that you have good solution. Otherwise, you cannot have exact solution at this time. We have a very good solution now because everything is as we planned.
Şimdi içeriden bakabiliriz.
Okay, let's come inside and check from inside the door.
Yok, dışarıdan.
So you just trying to.
Tamam, üç başlı bir taraf oluyor. Şuranın ilk başta düz olması lazım.
Yes. The first thing we have to be careful, it has to be straight. Then we have to check this gap. Then this. Doing some touching now. Yes, at the end of the installation, if you have small problems, you have to touch with some certain points. For example, in this case, he just checking the fittings. Yes, right now it's almost perfect solution that we have. Yes. So I'm gonna give you a brief. What did we do? First, we get the size, then we arrange the frame and sash, then we brought the parts construction site. We made the installation of frame first here, then we put frame, then we arranged the hinges, then we put the leaf onto the frame, then we made some installation on frame and sash, like a handle and the fittings. Then we finalized the borders, and during this turn we also sometimes touch on it to get exact good solution for doors, opens and close. Mr. Özel, thank you very much. It was a very good video, thank you.